Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox fat burner drink. That's the cucumber lemon ginger drink and is best had during your regular breakfast. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of cucumbers. You can make a choice of tender cucumbers because they're more juicy. We then chop a finger ginger and then add it to this. Mint leaves aid with digestion and also provide us with a very refreshing flavor. So we will also add that. We add all of this into the mixer grinder and top it up with some lemon juice. To this, we're going to add some pepper powder. We will then top it up with some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. We will top it up with some salt for taste. Before we add more ingredients, we will add enough water to submerge all of these vegetables. We will then add ice cubes to beat the summer heat. We're going to grind this well and now run it through a sieve so that all hard particles come out. Our 100% detox juice is now ready to be had.